Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the heavy-duty bed mat from Husky Liners, which is great for protecting your truck bed and your contents. It has a skid-resistant surface that will keep whatever you're hauling safe and in place. Husky Liners took a different approach with this bed mat compared to others on the market. It's made of a virgin, flexible PVC material, so there's no reground tires or plastics, so you're not getting that heavy tire or rubber smell. While we have this one installed on this Chevy Silverado, the heavy-duty bed mat comes in unique vehicle applications and even universal applications that can be trimmed to fit. There's practically no installation here, so we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 10 minutes. The bed mat does come rolled up, so if you unroll it and see memory of that, lay it out in the sun and it should relax in about 20 to 30 minutes. The heavy-duty bed mat from Husky Liners is made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase the heavy-duty bed mat for your truck, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.